guys, welcome back to supertech channel. Today in this video we are going to unbox the new Samsung Galaxy M31. So guys, this is Samsung Galaxy M31. It's a 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage variant. It costs around up to 16,000 rupees, which I brought from Amazon. So guys, let's crack it. So guys, this is Samsung Galaxy M31. In the box, a small SIM ejector and some sort of paperwork can be seen in the box, like quick start guide, lock guide, warranty card and so on. The box, it comes with a 15-watt fast charger which charges the massive 6000 mAh battery of this phone. And also guys, it comes with a high quality data transferring cable which has USB-C type support. So guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy M31. The quality of the phone is very nice and the build quality of the phone is very better than M30s. Before booting it, let's check out the specification of this phone. The Samsung Galaxy M31 comes with a quad camera setup which has 64 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel macro lens, 5 megapixel depth sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide lens, which is a very decent setup that you get in at this price range. By checking out its hardware, the Galaxy M31 comes with a Mali G72 MP3 GPU, Exynos 9611 processor, and it comes up to 8GB RAM, 128GB internal memory, and it comes with a UFS 2.1 storage. On the front side of the phone, it comes with a 32 megapixel front facing camera, Super AMOLED display which protected by Gorilla Glass 3. The Samsung Galaxy M31 comes with a Super AMOLED display which has full HD 60Hz support. This is one of the best display which you get at this price point. Samsung Galaxy M31 is a monster because it has a 6000 mAh battery which lasts up to 1 to 2 days. Okay guys, now let's check out the camera footage that taken in the M31. So guys, for seeing more footages like this, a camera review is coming soon in this channel. So please stay subscribed to my channel. Okay guys, it's time to end this video. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy M31 is the best phone that you can buy at 16,000 rupees. And for seeing more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.